Hello, my name is Bronzy and welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. So today I want to say thank you to Rosalind for sending me this Polygel kit, and is a Polygel soft pink kit, and I will be showing you everything that comes inside of this kit. So right here I'm showing you what is Polygel, and you can use it with dual nail forms, and you can also use it without dual nail forms. You can use it with just nail tips, or however you can use it. It's comfortable to you. So here I'm just showing you the manual guide, or the instructions for you, if you would rather say that. And here is how to use it. If you want to pause the video to take a look at how to use it, you are welcome to do that. And here is the DIY nail art. And on the back of the booklet or the instruction manual, it shows you it has questions and answers. And you are welcome to pause the video to take a look at the questions and answers. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started, guys. I am so excited to get this Polygel kit. This is my first time ever using Rosalind. I don't know if it's Rosalind or Rosalo. I think it's Rosalind. And here you get top coat and base coat. And you also get some, I don't know what it's called. I don't know what it's called. But you do get this, and you get a dapping dish and some slip solution. And you also get the Polygel in itself, and it comes in 60 ml. And this is the back of the Polygel bottle or tube, and it does come closed. And here is a swatch of the Polygel. Very pretty, such a pretty sheer soft pink. I think this is really pretty. And you also get some nail holders, or nail, I'm not sure what it is called, but if you do the dual forms, you can use it to clamp on your dual form. And you also get the brush on one side and the picker on the other. And here we have the dual forms, and I don't really use this type of dual form, but I do use a dual form, but not this type. You also get some stickers. These are some gorgeous stickers. I do love these stickers. And you also get a nail file, 100/180 nail file grit. And this is all the items that you get in this Polygel nail kit. And if you would like to check this kit out, they are on Amazon, and I do have a discount code, and I will leave that discount code in the description box down below. So now we're going to go ahead and get started with the peel-off base. As you can see, I am using Nail Couture peel-off base, and I will be using the Rosalind top coat as part of my peel-off base. The consistency of this is pretty thin. I was expecting to be like a little thick, but the base coat and the top coat is pretty thin. The slip solution, I don't really care for the slip solution. I did use it at the beginning, and I will show you in one of the clips. The slip solution to me was kind of, I would say, oily. And I didn't like it too much, so I did switch to 91% isopropyl alcohol. So alright, so here I am getting ready to, I'm just showing you the consistency of the base coat, and I am using these nail forms again. And I actually like these nail forms. And so I did put in I put in the base coat. I put a coat of the base coat inside the dual form. I cured it for 60 seconds, and now I'm putting in the Polygel, and I will be spreading out the Polygel to cover the dual form, and I will be applying that to my nail. And after I apply that to my nail, I will be curing it for a quick it's like a flash cure, so I can it can adhere to my nail, and then I will smooth the inside of the dual form, and then I will cure the whole thing for 60 seconds, so that way I can take off the dual form on top of the nail, if that makes any sense. I did want to let you guys know when in the video, I did forget to use their nail file. I'm so used to grabbing my Makartt nail file that I did forget to use the Rosalind nail file. Sorry about that. Alright, so here I am showing you how I pop off my dual form off of the nail, and it looks perfect, beautiful. I love this color. It is so gorgeous. The pink is just so gorgeous. So here I'm just showing you, I don't like to use the slip solution. I don't really care for the slip solution. It's a little bit oily to me, but I mean, some people may like the oiliness, some people may not, but I did switch to isopropyl alcohol. So I went ahead and finished the rest of my nails off camera, and here I did wipe it off with the sticky tacky layer off with the alcohol. Now I am filing just the tip of the nail to where I adhered the dual form. It is kind of bulky or bubbly, so I am filing it down so I can apply the second bead of the Polygel. And I do show you the rest of the nails. I did do the rest of the shaping, the filing off camera. So here I am getting ready to use this base coat, and I will top the top of my nail so I can add this second bead of the Polygel to my nail. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and apply the second bead of the Polygel to my nail, and I will stop talking and I will let you continue to watch this application, and I will be back. So make sure when you are using Polygel that you do clean up around your cuticle area. Make sure you don't have the Polygel on your skin, because when you go to cure the Polygel, it will burn your skin. So make sure that your cuticle area is nice and clean, and yeah, so when you go cure it, it won't burn you. Alright, so I went ahead, file shaped and buffed my nails off camera. So now I'm going to remove the dust off my nails and with the dust brush, and I will be removing, kind of cleaning the dust more with some alcohol. And I will give my honest review at the end, how I feel about this Polygel, and at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. And here is the nail art time. So this is my favorite part of doing nails. I wasn't sure where I was going with this, so I just went with the flow. And first, you all know that I do use my base coat first to coat my nail, and then that way that the sticker will stick, because you know the base coat has that tacky layer to it. So I did apply one coat of that, and I did cure it for 60 seconds, and then I will go ahead and apply my stickers, my nail art, and after I finish that, I will and shall be back. So I was getting ready to use this rose. I thought the rose was so gorgeous, but as you can see, I did rip it. So I had to go another way. So, and also with this one, I ripped the bottom of it. Sorry that I'm out of focus, but I ripped the bottom of that sticker. So I was like, you know what, I just go ahead and put that one up there and then get the other half of it and connect it somehow. But I did connect it and I thought it was so cute. So these stickers are really beautiful. They just so thin and they're really hard to get off of the paper. I think they should come up with something to help, you know, make it easier to get it off of the paper, because sometimes when you get these stickers off, they rip and you just like, oh, I really wanted to use that sticker, but hey, I did my best. So I did add some rhinestones, so I'm getting ready to add my top coat, and I added some rhinestones to complete the look. And I will go ahead and give you my review of this polygel. I really did enjoy using the polygel. If you like softer polygel, this is the polygel for you. The packaging was really cute. I mean, it's really nothing to really boast about, but it's like really simple and cute. The base coat is really thin in consistency, as well as the top coat. I love the brush. It kind of reminds me of the Makartt. They do have a design of that on their polygel brushes, but it was really cute. The polygel color is really cute to me. I love that soft pink. And this polygel, like I said before, is really, really soft. It was kind of runny, not too runny, but when I was using it with the oil, with their slip solution, it was runny. But when I started to use it with the alcohol, it wasn't as runny, but it was still really soft. But other than that, like I said, I do have a discount code with them, and they are on Amazon, and I will leave my discount code in the description box down below. And you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all on my next upload. Until then, toodles!